So what benefit are you getting from staying stuck? And I know that sounds crazy, but there are many, and I'll name a few. You get to be right. You get someone to blame. You get a target for your anger. You get sympathy from everyone you tell your story to. You don't have to do the hard work of learning to trust again. Should I trust you? Can I trust you? Forget it. I'm not trusting anybody. And there are so many more. So when you just think, well, of course I want to heal, that's not necessarily the case, because if you really are ready to fully and completely move through your betrayal and shattered trust, you're going to have to give that stuff up. And it may be serving. No right, no wrong. It just may not be time for you. So although you may automatically think, well, of course I want to move through this, and you're wondering, why is it that I just can't seem to? Check and see if there are reasons and benefits you may be finding from staying stuck. I hope that helps.